Then we have the schedule here. The summer 2021 Kringle reward schedule is fully loaded with gigantic incentives to recruit and to broadcast. Take full advantage of all the rewards on the schedule. We should have all of the billionaire positions filled before the end of this summer. So there's 1,111,111 billionaire positions, okay? And we expect all of them to be filled within the next 90 days, okay? So by the time we get to the end of August. And that will leave the remaining millionaire positions. And there's 1,110,000,000 millionaire positions. So, starting this fall, we'll be filling all of the millionaire positions, and we will only have 500 million TBC coins remaining to fill all 1,110,000,000 millionaire positions. So on average, that works out to be 0.45 TBC per millionaire. Okay, that's a simple division problem. You take 500 million coins and divide it by 1,110,000,000, and you end up with 0.45. Okay. So treasure this time you have now to acquire 1,000 to 5,000 TBC coins with the remaining time left to do so. Because the millionaires will not be able to get even one whole TBC coin. They will max out their opportunity during the distribution phase at 0.99, and that's it. That'll be the maximum that a millionaire could acquire, and the minimum would be 0.001. So let's take a look at that in the calculator. So if you go to the calculator, let's go into the max value. Okay, what's it going to be in the future? You take 0.001 in USD, and that's 3,000,000. Okay, if we add a zero here, see, that's not millionaire status, right? So the minimum to be a millionaire is got to be, see, 2 zeros is not good. I mean, 3 zeros is not good. 2 zeros will get us there, okay? So that's what it takes. Now, if you have one whole TBC coin, if you just have one, that's worth, when this matures, 3,800,000,000. Okay. What if you had 1,000 of them? You had 1,000 coin. Wow, that's 3,800,000,000,000. Okay. If you had 5,000 coins, that's $19 trillion. Okay. So yeah, there is going to be an upper class to all of this, the trillionaire class, right? If you go to our current value, using the calculator for today's value, one TBC today in USD is 12,878,000 today. But it increases in value, right? Because as each member joins us, it increases every coin value by 1 grain of gold, right? So 1 billion grains of gold come into the system every time somebody new joins, even if they join for free. That raises the value of all the coins by 1 grain of gold. And when we get to 1 billion members, we stop counting. So that's where we end with the mature final price is 1 billion grains of gold. And a grain of gold is roughly $3.80 right now. All right, so what about 0.001, the millionaire, the minimum amount for a millionaire? That's about $13,000, right? $12,878 current value. Okay. The average billionaire is going to end up with 0.45. Well, that's 5,795,000. Okay, in today's value. Okay, by today's value. So when you look at this article here, treasure this time, because this is it. The next couple of months will be the end of these massive, really, gigantic rewards that will be going out, because that's what we're looking to fill in all of the billionaire positions, right? And we want to max it out. We want to max out what the billionaires have. So the billionaires will have the lion's share of the coins. Okay, they'll end up with probably more than 50%. So, about 1 million people are going to end up with more than 50% of 1 billion coins. Okay, so that's the great thing about being one of the billionaires.